Hello passionate gardener. Today I'm going to share some tips about how you can use your banana peels, into your chili plant. Chili and pepper, they love the banana peels. The reason behind banana peels have phosphorus, which is essential because it's aid the photosynthesis and also help move the water and nutrients between the cells and help with flowers and stain the stems. And this banana leaves doesn't have any nitrogen. Yes, this nitrogen is needed for plants to grow, but it will give more leaves than flower. So you can see my chilies doesn't have much flower yet. Only one of the paper have flowers there. So I'm going to put some banana peels. That's going to help the plant to encourage the flowering part. Also, the banana peels have calcium, which prevent bloom and rot in the fruit, and this is also helpful for tomato plants. If you have tomato, you can use the banana peels as well. I'll be sharing you how you can use your banana peels, and just to let you know, this also have manganese, which is a photosynthesis friendly items, and which is also have magnesium, which includes induce the chlorophylls. So there are a lot of benefits with the banana peels. So first of all, I'm going to do, like, I have a scissor and a little pot. Just I'll cut down those and then we'll start giving them in the plant. Down those peels. You can see some of them dried one, and this is a fresh. This also have 80% of water, so that's okay. You use the dried one or the fresh ones. And the other thing, like, it will use as a mulch as well in the soil, so, and which will help to retain the moisture in the water. So there's a lot of benefits on the banana peels. So I'm going to apply them now. So first of all, I'm going to just use a fork kind of thing just to move the soil a bit and just put few of the banana peels like this, and then cover with this. And so around this side, that will give, like, when I'll be putting some waters, the water will be retained in the soil with the banana peels, and the nutrients will be releasing quickly. There are other methods as well you can follow for banana peels, like where we can create some banana peels drink for water, where we can soak these banana peels into the pot for 3 to 4 days to start them decomposing. When the your water color will be a little bit of gray color, and then you can give that water directly to the plant. But that, like, again, you have to probably see, like, you may need to throw out this, or you may need to reuse this banana peels left over somewhere else. But I feel this is the easier way. It will decompose slowly because my plants are small while they're growing, and I'm just putting them a little bit up down, so the roots will start growing and they can take out the nutrients from the banana peels directly. So one banana peels each plant is enough, and you can try with half of it, and probably mid of the season you can start giving more. So I'm just giving, like, I have cut down 3 banana peels for now. Sorry, 2 banana peels. I'm going to give this for 3 plant, and I'll give more on the time. So try this method and let me know how it went well, and that's definitely going to boost your plant growth, and lot of fruits and flowers going to come. So hope you like the video. I do have a big garden here. I do a lot of vegetables and fruit growing, and I do share videos. If you like my video, don't forget to give a like or thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. So until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye gardener, happy gardening, and best of luck for your garden. Keep commenting on if you have questions or doubts. If I can help with I'd love to help with all the knowledge that I gather from gardening point of view. Thanks for watching. Bye bye passionate gardener.